If you want to maintain your woman, your girlfriend, your fiancé for as long as you want, until you decide to discharge her, no let her know these 5 secrets. Yes. No let her know. If you know, you go fall her hand. So, more no waste time now. More go there. Now we're done. My guys, my viewers, I thank you now. My name is Big Boss, and I don't show again. Yes, God grace. So, more go straight to the video. Make we no waste too much time. We'll count down from 5 to 1. So, number 5, now be hustle. Hustle simply means how you take make pepper. How you go make 1 plus 1 will give you 10. How 1 plus 1 will give you 5. How if you open your mouth talk, people go drop pay. Maybe so. Okay, and this pay no will come disturb your life. Now, men they do too many mistakes. And when they tell their girlfriend, their women how they take make money, they tell them about their salary, their allowance, their commission, all this kind of benefit, all the package we then get. Who asked man to do this one? Man, who asked you to do this one? Oga, my guy, who asked you to see this one? This one no be love. Oh. This one is just to reveal your weak points to her, and she will take and wound you. Yes, now. You could take and wound you, ne? So I beg, they tell una woman how much una dey earn, how much be una salary, how much be una commission or allowance. Wetin you supposed to do as a man be say, if your woman insists, say, hey bro, where you dey want? Tell her say, look babe, I dey work for A and B. She can now, no let her know any other thing underneath, because if she know, she go wound. The mindset of woman be say, na pepper be their calculation, she dey calculate ne. When you don't tell her say, babe, I dey earn 50k, she don't calculate and say, man, I wan buy lipstick, I wan buy pampers, I wan buy periodical pad, I wan buy chain, I wan buy data recharge card, I wan buy clothes, I wan buy hairdo, I wan buy for 50k. How much you go come get now, my guy? But if you don't see even that money no do her, you don dey calculate say, man, this guy no want time to steal. This guy go just dey chop me now. She don dey her mindset and say, go look for person wey get like 200 bar. Then we fit drop something for you. You see, say you don't wound yourself. So it no make sense now. So what the sense we make there? Therefore, I beg, no dey tell her how much you dey earn. Allowance, commission, salary, no let her know. Maybe your papa give you work. Right? When your papa give you work, we know where they write am for books, make you tell her how much they earn. She dey create waka. So, now be my own. No let her know how your hustle dey drop. Just dey keep your baby. Okay? That mindset, if you don't put that mindset for her mind, for her head, be say she know say yes. You be sharp man, you correct, and the control number dey your hand intact 24/7. No be so. And she no go do any yeah movement with you at all. She no go do. And I believe be say pepper day we don't rest. In probably when she does anything for need or anything, she know say yes, you will contribute to assist for her. So that's what it be. But if you don't know, oh boy, nothing for you again. No. So this one might be number 5 secret we no need to allow your girlfriend, your woman, or your fiancé to know. I come back with the number 4 secret.